This is the project that we're going to be tackling in Green Cove Springs this week. This motorhome just came in from Ohio. The gentleman took it to a bedliner company to have their product put on. So we're going to spend some time this week stripping it off for him, prepping it properly, putting an actual RV specific formula and system on the roof, and we're going to do more in-depth detail so that you can see start to finish what's involved. This is very important, we feel, for people to make sure when they're getting a sprayed RV roof that they are getting one that was made for an RV, that'll work for their RV, doesn't have, as you can see, these little holes, splinters. It's not stuck anywhere. They've got exposed screws, masking tape they left. So this will be our project, so stay tuned. We'll do snippets through the week and have a final start to finish video on YouTube when we're all done.